Alright, we back. As y'all can see, hope y'all can see. I'll probably zoom in on my editing skills, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we got this we're gonna put on there. Boom. Boom. Perfect. I got it on my gaming desk, so I need to get me another desk to work with. But anyways, you know, go ahead. I want to take these classes and I want to learn more about, I always wanted to get into stuff like that, so yeah, I want to do more of that. Go ahead and put this on there. Might be hard plastic. It looks like it's metal. I think it is metal. It looks like it's. I don't know, but it'll be going around here. People that don't know. I probably have to, I'm gonna unscrew this right here. It's a screw right here, a set screw. So I'll be unscrewing that to loosen it up and put it on here. And you see, it got kind of rusty right there, but you know, so I got this for it. This will cover it up. And I'm about to see how this works out. I can see it. So I'm gonna loosen this up. I forgot what you call this thing. I had to look it up. It's on my Amazon. Matter of fact. I'll do it later. I'll put it up on the screen or whatever. Yeah. Go ahead and, I don't know if it goes on this way. Fits perfectly on there. Yeah. Ain't no wrong way you can put it on there. If it is, yeah. It won't even look right. I mean, you can put it right there, but it's gonna twist. But you put it on there, cause it got like a step on it, but it's not moving. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Oh shit. And you see that little rust right there. I'm gonna tighten this up on here. You know, I gotta customize my gun, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, baby? I'll tighten this back up on here. It already come with the alley wrench. It's not even moving, it's not going nowhere now. Once I put this on there, we'll find out. Go ahead, I already got the attachment for this. I'll put it on the side of there. I might have to adjust it though. I might make it a little bit. It depends on how it fit around me. I'm gonna put this back on there. I just had it. I get something for this pen so this pen won't fall out. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I got it on there now. I don't know what. I don't know if I lost the pin for this thing or what. I'll fix it later. Anyways, got this. I gotta see what fits for me. Boom, and just snap right on there. Boom. So I might have to adjust it to my liking. Fix everything. Yeah. But yeah, as y'all can see, I got the sling on here. I'll adjust this later. I don't know if I'll adjust this later. Cause I wanted it a little higher, but yeah, got the sling on there as y'all can see. Yeah, maybe I'll do another video of me adjusting it and putting it on, stuff like that. But I gotta get a holster for this. Y'all let me know if y'all can find a good holster. What is a good holster that I could use for that? But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. I installed this. I forgot what you call this, but I'll put it in the video once I edit it. But I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be doing like a 30-day challenge of me trying to get my 6-pack. So 30 days, 6-pack. We're gonna see how it goes. Me eating, what I'm eating and everything like that. So yeah, y'all follow me on that. That'll be coming Yeah. Hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.